Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Alright guys, we are here today making quesadillas. We can call them low carb quesadillas, I guess. The wrap we're using, or the tortilla we're using, is a low carb tortilla. It has about 4 net carbs per tortilla. We're using some Taco Bell mild sauce, but you can use any kind of picante sauce or taco sauce or even salsa. You're just going to coat it evenly, or even as you can, on the back side or one side of the tortilla here. We're going to be using a cast iron flat pan here. You can use a regular skillet or something, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you're using a good oil that can get hot enough without burning. Today we're using avocado oil. Throw that on there. And while that's cooking that side, we'll go ahead and put a thin layer of cheese. It's going to be like a glue to stick our meat on there. You can use whatever kind of meat you can use. Want to use, I should say. We are using chicken, grilled chicken, and some steak. And we cut it pretty thin, but this is going to be a pretty thick quesadilla here. Now you could do another tortilla on top and just cut the quesadilla like that. But we're going to fold it over. We're going to put the cheese on here, lots of cheese. I think this is Monterey Jack. You can also add in things like cheese dip and stuff. We're going to go ahead and make our dipping sauce, which is just sour cream and some Louisiana hot sauce. And just kind of mix it to taste. I know I like mine slightly on the pink side, so we're going to add a little more here. Until you get the color you want, just kind of mix it in. Of course, if you don't like hot sauce, you don't have to use it. You can go straight sour cream. Or even cheese dip or something if you didn't want to use this. Alright, that's getting pretty close there. We'll go ahead and fold this over. As you can see, kind of added some color on there, and it does add quite a bit of flavor, and it's mild, so it's not hot or anything. Get back in there, cheese. It's trying to sneak out on us. Look at that gooey cheese. And flip it again. And my pan's good and hot. Moving on the stove now. Some more sizzle. And we'll call that done. Now, I will apologize. I should have cut it on a cutting board, because cutting on this plate I did not get a good cut. And it kind of looks a little cringy, honestly. But I promise you, it's still going to taste good. Yeah, look at that. Just a mess. Alright, well, let's do it anyway. Look at that cheese just melt. Just dripping off. Dip in our sauce here. Yep. Good stuff. Alright guys, thank you. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. Look forward to more car videos or cooking videos or just hanging out. We're going to do a bunch more. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.